Hey guys, so a lot of you were asking where did I get my part from. I got my replacement parts from diffuser.com, and I will link that in the description below so you guys know where to get parts for yours. I think I bought it for like, it was $17, almost $18. Yeah, but it comes in a kit, so you get a screwdriver and you get a new replacement disc. So when I turned on my diffuser, it was like flashing, like, but it had water in it, so it was reading that like it didn't have water in it. So that's how you know it's like the disc. Like, there's a lot of things you can look up what's wrong with it. So what I did was I looked up what could it be, and that's when I found diffuser.com. so it kind of helps you figure out like what's wrong with it, but most likely the main problem is the disc. So I bought that, and this is how you take it apart. There's the 2 screws on the bottom. You want to, it's not focusing. Okay, well I guess the camera sucks, but you want to take that screws out, and then over here is where your disc is. So then it'll be like this, your old disc. It'll be in like this, and you just either pop it out, like you either pull it out or you can go from the top and push it, and it'll pop right out. Excuse me, that's my daughter. I wanted to do this when she was sleeping, but it didn't work out. Yeah. Okay, well, mommy's trying to do something, okay? I'm trying to do something, baby. But first, before you pop it out, you need to sorry, it's wrong way. There will be this cap. You need to unscrew that too.
Mom?
Nothing. How come your face is full of milk and boogers? You didn't wipe it with your rag? No. No, you are not touching nothing of mine, child. No. If you have toddlers, you know what it's like trying to do work. Okay, can you hold on real fast?
Hey.
Okay. Alright. So, after you take that out, shh. There's going to be a gap over here. So, what you want to do is line that up with the gap that's... Why are you repeating everything I say? You want to line that gap up with the wires that have the gap. Baby, shh. Wait, hold on. Yeah. So you line both of that up, push it in there real good. Hey, hey, can you shh? Mommy's working, right? She just wants to be included in everything. Hey, shh.
I'm talking.
I'm talking. Stop. Okay.
I'm talking.
I'm gonna tell Daddy you're being naughty.
I'm naughty.
Okay, and what you want to do now is you
You
plug it in back into here. Alrighty. And then after that, you just put the cap back on for the diffuser. I mean for the disc. Hello. Line that up, screw it back in. I'm glad they gave you a screw, because I didn't have any screws. And I don't think I want to use a power tool on top of my diffuser. No, baby. Mommy's trying to make a video, that's why.
Valuable.
The only thing is the screws are so tiny, so I wouldn't find anything that would get these screws in. I only have power tools, and now I have this. Alright, so now that you screw that back in, you want to make sure when you put back, you match up the holes, the two holes, and snap that back in,
The button.
and put the screws back on the bottom. And screw that back in. Ay, keeps stripping. And how come? Maybe that's just me, that's why. Alright, shh. Mommy's trying to make a video. Okay, so once you screw those back in, oh, missed. Okay, got it. Do not touch.
Hmm?
And I'm gonna have another one.
Huh?
Okay, watch out, baby. Move.
Hmm?
Yes, move. Alrighty. So we can plug it back in now. What are you trying to do? That's a bead. Yeah, that's your bead that you left on the ground. You can put a little bit of water inside. Excuse me. Pop the top back on. Good to go.
Material.
Oh, thanks. You gave me chips.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, the diffusers only have a certain amount of time that you can run it until the dish like wears out. So, if you have any questions, please leave comments below, and I will try to make more videos, more tips and stuff. But yes, if your diffuser goes out, you should really look up diffuser.com. Thanks for watching.